Let us begin with a truth that will forever change how you see the world's most delicate traveler. The butterfly is not just a fragile, beautiful creature that flutters through the garden. It is one of the most remarkable, resilient, and extraordinary creatures on Earth, a creature that has been gracing our planet for over 50 million years, evolving from ancient moths into the dazzling winged jewels we know today. It is a master of transformation, undergoing one of the most complete and dramatic metamorphoses in the animal kingdom. A journey from a tiny egg to a voracious caterpillar to a seemingly lifeless chrysalis, and finally to a winged adult that is almost unrecognizable from its former self. It is a creature of incredible endurance, with some species migrating thousands of miles across continents, navigating by the sun and the Earth's magnetic field, crossing oceans and mountains to reach their wintering grounds. It is also a creature of delicate beauty, with wings that are covered in thousands of tiny scales, each one reflecting light in a way that creates the brilliant colors and patterns that have captivated humans for millennia. But here is the paradox that haunts every lepidopterist who studies them. Despite their incredible resilience and their ancient lineage, butterflies are disappearing at an alarming rate. Their habitats are being destroyed by urbanization and agriculture. They are being poisoned by pesticides, and they are being affected by climate change, which is altering the timing of their emergence and the availability of their host plants. The butterfly has been on this planet for over 50 million years, surviving ice ages, volcanic eruptions, and the shifting of continents. It has witnessed the rise of our species, the building of cities, and the destruction of wild places. And now, it is looking at us with those delicate compound eyes, and it is asking a question that we are too afraid to hear. What have you done with your transformation? Today, we are telling the biography of the butterfly. Not one species, but all butterflies. The diverse, magical, and endangered guardians of the meadows, gardens, and rainforests. The butterfly belongs to the order Lepidoptera, which includes over 18,000 species of butterflies, ranging from the tiny western pygmy blue, which is barely longer than a fingernail and is the smallest butterfly in the world, to the massive Queen Alexandra's birdwing, which can have a wingspan of up to 30 centimeters and is the largest butterfly in the world. The butterfly lineage is one of the most recent and successful insect lineages on Earth, with fossils dating back to the Eocene epoch over 50 million years ago. The earliest butterflies evolved from ancient moths, developing their distinctive, brightly colored wings and their diurnal or daytime habits. They are found on every continent except Antarctica, in a wide range of habitats, from the tropical rainforests of the Amazon to the alpine meadows of the Himalayas, from the deserts of Africa to the grasslands of North America. Some species, like the monarch butterfly, are found in a wide range of habitats across North America, where they are known for their incredible annual migration. Others, like the blue morpho, are found only in the rainforests of Central and South America, where they are known for their brilliant, iridescent blue wings. The painted lady is found on every continent except Antarctica, making it one of the most widespread butterflies in the world. Despite their wide distribution, butterfly populations are under immense threat. Many species are classified as threatened or endangered, including the monarch butterfly, which has declined by over 80% in recent decades, and the Miami blue, which is one of the rarest butterflies in North America. The butterfly is a creature of extremes, but it is also a creature of vulnerability. What defines a butterfly? Let us start with the body, because the butterfly's body is a monument to evolutionary elegance. Butterflies have a distinctive body shape with a long, slender thorax, a pair of large, compound eyes, and a pair of antennae that are used for sensing their environment. The antennae are covered in sensory hairs, which are highly sensitive to vibrations in the air, allowing the butterfly to detect predators and other threats. The most distinctive feature of the butterfly is its wings, which are covered in thousands of tiny scales, each one reflecting light in a way that creates the brilliant colors and patterns that are characteristic of the species. The colors of a butterfly's wings serve a variety of purposes, including camouflage, warning predators of their toxic taste, and attracting mates. The scales are also highly reflective, and the butterfly uses them to regulate its body temperature, absorbing heat from the sun to warm its wings and body. The butterfly has a long, coiled proboscis, which is used to feed on nectar from flowers. The proboscis is highly specialized, and it can be uncoiled and extended to reach deep into the flowers. The butterfly's wings are also used for flight, and they are capable of flying at speeds of up to 20 kilometers per hour. Their average lifespan is 1 to 2 weeks for most species, though some species, like the monarch, can live for up to 9 months. The butterfly is a creature of remarkable adaptation, but it is also a creature of fragility. Now let us talk about the butterfly's daily life and social structure. Because the butterfly is not the solitary creature it is often perceived to be. Butterflies are social animals, often gathering in large groups around feeding areas and water sources. They have a complex social hierarchy, with larger, more dominant individuals asserting their dominance through a series of ritualized behaviors, including displays and chases. They communicate through a variety of visual signals, using their wing colors and patterns to convey their mood and intentions. Males, in particular, are known for their elaborate courtship displays, which include a stunning array of wing patterns, pheromones, and dances. The male will approach a female, displaying his brightest colors, and if the female is receptive, she will respond by allowing the male to mate. After mating, the female will lay a clutch of eggs on a host plant, which will provide food for the caterpillars when they hatch. The eggs will hatch into caterpillars, which will undergo a remarkable transformation, growing, molting, and feeding voraciously before pupating into a chrysalis. The caterpillar's life is a slow, deliberate process, but it is also a process of survival against the odds. The butterfly's diet is as varied as its species. It is primarily a nectarivore, feeding on the nectar of flowers, which provides them with the energy they need to fly and reproduce. They are also known to feed on a variety of other sources, including tree sap, fruit juice, and even animal dung and carrion. The butterfly's feeding habits shape the ecosystem. By pollinating flowers, they play a critical role in plant reproduction, ensuring the survival of many plant species. They are also an important food source for a wide variety of predators, including birds, reptiles, and other insects. The butterfly's role in the ecosystem is critical, and their presence is an indicator of a healthy environment. Reproduction is another critical aspect of the butterfly's life story, and it is a slow, deliberate process that reflects the species' vulnerability. Butterflies have a relatively slow reproductive rate, with females typically laying a clutch of eggs every 1 to 2 weeks. The gestation period is approximately 1 to 2 weeks, depending on the species. The eggs are laid on a host plant, and they hatch into caterpillars, which will feed on the leaves of the plant. The caterpillars will grow and molt several times before pupating into a chrysalis. The chrysalis will undergo a remarkable transformation, and after several weeks, an adult butterfly will emerge. The butterfly's reproductive strategy is one of quality over quantity, with a high investment in each offspring to ensure its survival. Now let us talk about the butterfly's daily struggle. Because life for a butterfly is a constant battle against hunger, disease, and the encroachment of humans. Butterflies face a variety of natural threats, including predators like birds, reptiles, and other insects which prey on them. They also face threats from disease and parasites, which can weaken them and make them vulnerable to predation. However, the most significant threat to butterfly survival is human activity. Butterflies are losing their habitats to urbanization and agriculture. They are being poisoned by pesticides, and they are being affected by climate change. The butterfly's struggle is not just a biological one. It is a fight against the consequences of human activity, a fight that will determine its fate. How is the butterfly useful to humans? Let us count the ways that are rarely acknowledged. First, pollination. Butterflies are critical pollinators, ensuring the reproduction of many plant species, including those that are important for agriculture. Second, ecosystem regulation. Butterflies are an important food source for a wide variety of predators, maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. Third, scientific research. Butterflies are a model species for studying evolution, genetics, and ecology. Their remarkable transformation and their sensitivity to environmental changes have provided insights into the biology of development and the impacts of climate change. Fourth, cultural significance. Butterflies have been woven into the mythology and art of many cultures, representing transformation, beauty, and the spirit of the natural world. Now, what can humans learn from the butterfly? First, the power of transformation. Butterflies undergo a remarkable metamorphosis, transforming from a caterpillar to a winged adult. Humans can learn to embrace change and transformation. Second, the importance of resilience. Butterflies are fragile, yet they travel thousands of miles, enduring incredible challenges. Humans can learn to be more resilient and determined. Third, that the natural world is sacred. Butterflies live in harmony with their environment. We cannot survive without the natural world. Now let us talk about conservation, because the story of the butterfly is not over. It is being written now by each of us. Many butterfly species are still threatened. The monarch butterfly is endangered, the Miami blue is critically endangered, and the island marble is extinct in the wild. The primary threats to butterfly populations are habitat loss, pesticide use, and climate change. There are solutions. Protecting and restoring habitats, planting native host plants, reducing pesticide use, and creating butterfly-friendly gardens can all help. Education is key. People need to understand that butterflies are not just a decoration. They are essential partners in the health of the planet. The future of the butterfly depends on our choices today. And now, we come to the final truth. The butterfly has been on this planet for over 50 million years. It has survived ice ages, volcanic eruptions, and the shifting of continents. It has witnessed the rise of our species from small, frightened mammals into global dominators. It has been captured, exploited, and pushed to the brink. And yet, it is still here, fluttering through the meadows, pollinating the flowers and raising its young. It is looking at us with those delicate compound eyes, and it is asking a question that we are too afraid to hear. What have you done with your transformation? We have the power to destroy the butterfly. We also have the power to save it. The choice is ours. Every time we look at a butterfly, we see a creature that is not so different from us. A creature that has adapted to its environment in extraordinary ways. A creature that teaches us what it means to be human. Because in the end, the butterfly is not just an animal. It is a mirror. It reflects our capacity for transformation, for resilience, for grief, and for hope. It shows us who we are and who we could become. So let us protect the butterfly, not because it is useful, but because it is sacred. Not because it is endangered, but because it is irreplaceable. Let us give the butterfly a future, not just for its sake, but for ours. Because a world without butterflies is a world without wonder, a world without wisdom, a world without transformation. And that is a world we do not want to live in.